Welcome back. Today I want to talk about arguably the easiest chord on guitar, which is the E minor 7. So the way that you make this chord is just 2nd fret A string. That's all you need. Now I like to use my middle finger, mainly because then I could get into things like E minor or another version of E minor 7 or E major or E7. But honestly, you could use any finger you want. You could even use your pinky, if that's what you like to do. Another good would be the ring finger, because then you could quickly get into like some bar chords. But I like to use my middle finger for it. So this is the easiest way to play E minor 7. Now the chord is made up of the notes E, G, B, and D. And you can find E minor 7 in the keys of C, G, and D major, or the relative minors of E minor, A minor, B minor. Now on the piano, you would play those notes, E, G, B, and D. But on guitar, because we're going to be using 6 strings for the most part, we got to use a combination of those letters. So like if we go back to that first open position, just holding down the 2nd fret on the A string, what we're actually playing is E, B, D, G, B, and E. So again, that's E, B, D, G, B, and E. Some songs you'll find it in are Shakedown Street, Say Yes, Maybe I'm Amazed, Redemption Song, Yesterday, Eleanor Rigby, and a bunch of other songs. Of course, there's a bunch of different ways that you could play E minor 7, even in just the open position alone. So here's just a few of them. So that's just touching on E minor 7. With music, you can always go deeper. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to learn more guitar. Now just go have fun and happy practicing.